So, hi everyone, it's Monday the 6th of July and the start of another trading week for me and the project. So firstly, some news about the channel. I'm renaming the Facebook page from the 3K to 1M that we've been using for well over a year now, and we're going to call it Crypto Womble Trading, or Crypto Womble Crypto Trading maybe. To support this, I've created a Twitter account and I will support a web space to match. The website isn't live at the moment, unfortunately, as I appear to have lost the template I require. And to rebuy it, it's $56. I think it's on my old laptop, but I can't find a power adapter. These things can only happen to a Womble, eh? However, it should be available in the next few weeks. You don't have to buy the template again, and will feature news, links, updates, and of course the status of the project. I will have a video wall of all the videos on YouTube. I've got no followers on Twitter, so if you want to follow me, just search for Crypto Womble. It's a brand new account, and your support on there would be welcome. And of course, the same updates will be put onto the Facebook page as well. So it's been 2 weeks since the last update, and the market has been full of rumours. The CME expiry of $8 billion that would crash the Bitcoin price. And then, of course, last week, the stock market crashing as the pensions may have been withdrawn. So really, June has been quite a ride. But, you know, the stock market didn't crash, of course. But we did see a large dip in price again, which appeared to be caused this time by miners selling off their Bitcoins. On a positive side to this, the anti-crash system that I'd put into the bot stepped in and protected the project's ROI before then carrying on as if nothing had happened, talking about a live fire test. But it was good, and I'm going to keep that trigger in, so that's great. If you're interested in triggers, I may do a video on triggers this week. But to have this price drop and then a sideways market twice now since start of June, well, the odds, right? And again, as I put this video together, we're still sideways, and it's in a pretty tight band. Now, the price has to break out of this sooner or later, and the big question, of course, is will the price break up or break down? If it breaks down in a downward trend, then low $8,000 is on the table according to the Womble metrics I use. What are Womble metrics? Womble metrics are just the predictions, the lines I draw on graphs, the feeling for where the price is going. If it breaks up, then we should see a large rise, which of course is really what I think everyone wants to see. Either way, the price will rise at some point, and I'm hoping this will happen in the next week or two. The analysis I'm using is showing recovery signs in its stochastic and the moving averages I use. It's just an interesting time, as typically I would say low 8K is definitely on the table, but Bitcoin is just leaving oversold at 9,000, which is really quite a high price. And combine this with the potential recovery that I'm forecasting means that 9K is going to be our starting point, and this would be a base to push up to the 11,000-12,000 region later in August, and then potentially into a fully blown bulls market. In short, the market cycles are behaving, well, quite oddly, but we'll soon find out what the outcomes will be. So let's look at the progress of the last 2 weeks. This week, the amount of Bitcoin we have has risen to 0.3897, which represents approximately 4% profit over the last 2 weeks, about 2% each week, give or take. There have been very quiet days due to the market, but things are looking to start picking up. We also need to raise our game moving forward and look for more opportunities to raise those profits higher each week. So, as you may have seen on the FB page, I did actually go full-on Bitcoin trading and finally found a way to express the profits in a meaningful way to show progress or not made each week. So instead of valuing the project each week and giving like a dollar value for that, what we're going to do is only talk about the return on investment made. I've set an arbitrary target of this of 1,000 ROI to make by the end of the project. I'm paying no heed to the actual value of the project until that point, mainly because the price will vary and it's not a consistent measure of progress. The only time I really care about the price is when I'm going to cash out, or if BTC starts to fail and becomes a redundant coin. And with that said, that's all from me this week. So not a bad 2 weeks trading. Hopefully we'll be making far more money as we go forward. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please consider giving me a like and also subscribing to the channel. And as I always say, onward and upward.